Hi guys! Today magre-review po ako at magsusulat ng notes kasi ano niyo po, nagpapang-notes dito tapos hindi ko pa po nasusulat sa notebook na ito. Kaya ngayon, habang magre-review po ako, susulat na rin po ako para makabasa. Kasi long story short, bagsak ako sa Godfather periodical sa MAPE. Bakit di nag-review? Okay, so nanonood rin po kasi ako ng balita. Ito po. Kung ako po yung tatanungin nyo, yes, hindi pa ako ready para exam kasi masyado po siya mabilis. Kaya go. Tsaka mag-isa naman ako sa bahay ngayon at this time because my parents are out. Are out. They're sinusundo nila yung ate ko. Kaya, yes. Sila nga po. Tsaka yung isa ko naman pong ate is nasa Maynila, nagtratrabaho bilang call center agent ata. Di sure. Also, sir, bago nyo sabihin na wala akong assignment. Boom! 2 page pa yan, sir. Hindi nga lang halata kasi ito lang po yung sulat ko dito sa second page. Ito, nanakot kasi itong graph na to. So, that's it. Baka maya-maya I will turn off this vlog because my phone is almost dead. As of right now, it's at 27%. Did I charge it? Yes. Full? Yes. I charge it to 100%. I charge it every time before I sleep. So, yes. My charger is having some problems, so yeah. That's why sometimes my phone doesn't charge to a full 100%. So yeah, but that doesn't mind me at all because I have another phone. Although it's an iPhone, so it runs out of battery like very quickly. Oh my god, automobile. Ow. Something just went in my eye. Salita ako ng salita. Halos wala pang ako nasusulat. Kawawa po siya ko guys. Napilay siya. Tapos nung nakaraan rin, napaso rin siya sa likod. Binuhusan siya ng mainit na tubig ng kapitbahay namin. Tapos ngayon, hapon lang, parang pinalo po siya. Oh, tingnan niyo po, hirap po siya maglakad. Kaya, awang-awa po kasi ako dito kasi siya po yung pinakamabait out of all my cats. Get well soon, baby. Yung ano niya po, yung paso, magaling-galing na po. Tutubo na lang po yung balahibo. Pero yung pilay niya, like I said, kahapon lang siya nangyari. Kaya, hindi po masyado magaling. Baka sasaktan siya kasi kada upo siya, hirap na hirap po siya. Get well. Kinalapit. Nagmi-mini vlog ako dito. Don't distract me, baby. Okay, so as soon as my parents and sister comes back, I will turn this off because I don't usually vlog in front of them. Hence, I don't even take pictures in front of them. I only do it when I'm filming one of our cats. So, yeah, I'll shut up now because I have a lot to review. Hoping my neighbors don't hear me because that would be embarrassing. Dami ba to? Konti lang. Ay! Oo, konti lang. My God, stop that. Manifesting mataas score ko sa English at Math. My gosh, these notes are incomplete. I totally forgot to research and add more information. That's okay. It's easier to review if you just list down the keywords. That's what I do. That's why my grade is so high. My general average is 94. One more percent and I'll be with highest honor. But I have the highest general average in our class. So yeah. If I can find it later, I will show you guys my grades. And it'll show you how I improved. Because my grades went from 288 and 90 plus others to all line of 9. So that's really amazing. Arte mo, ba't ka nag-i-English? Walang joke. Pilipinas tayo, boy. Split personality yarn. Not every moment, but every day now day. Running on the day. All this pressure now, all this pain now. I'm getting bored. Wanna review. Ay, boba. Look what happened here. I lost the cap over here, so I returned it around so it's easier for me to write. And I still have the main cap that goes over here. Just lost the one at the top. So yeah, this is what I got now. Tuwing nakikita kong magkasama na kayo, naiinis ako, nasisira ang araw ko. At di ko alam bakit pa nagkakaganto. Sadyang masasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo. sumisikip ang dibdib ko. Nakikita ko magkatabi tayo. Oh, kahit di naman tayong dalawa, lagi na lang pinagsasalosan siya. Lan ka, ibalik mo yung selos ni Shaira. Paborito ko na yung kanta. Please. Yes, ang ganda rin ng iyong kantang Trouble sa Trend, pero mas maganda yung kay Shaira. Char. Ay, lilikot niya. At that. Okay, so bye. Getting bored. Bye.